Have you ever wondered how to create a website using React, TypeScript, and JavaScript? Today, we're simplifying it. React is a UI building JavaScript library. TypeScript adds static types to your JavaScript code. Essential tools include Node.js and NPM. These are the building blocks for any React project. Step 5. Add styles. React supports CSS in JS through a library called Styled Components. Install it using NPM, then create a new styled component in the hello world.sx file. This component will style the hello world message. Step 6. Add interactivity. React is all about creating interactive UIs. Add a button to the hello world component that, when clicked, changes the message. To summarize, this process involves setting up a new React application with TypeScript, creating a new component, adding styles, and making the UI interactive. Although it may seem like a lot, once you grasp the basics, it's a smooth sail. Remember, practice is key in mastering these technologies. So go ahead, create your first React website with TypeScript and JavaScript. Happy coding!